Hi everyone, I have a Temu haul to share with you guys. So these items were sent to me by Temu, and if you want to see my Temu storefront or see if you qualify for some coupons, enter my code in the search bar. It is fav45575. I'll also leave a link with this coupon code down below in the description box. I'll also link the items there in the description bar as well. And if you guys need any help finding anything, just let me know. I love hunting and searching on Temu. So this haul is pretty much going to be all Halloween. So for $4.41, I got this bag, and they are clay bats. But I love these bats because it has the vertical hole. So that is like my favorite. I don't like when they go like across. So I love these. If I remember correctly, there was 100 pieces in here. So that's going to be really fun to use with my crafting. For $2.45, this was a 10 piece. Now you could buy just cauldrons or you could buy just the witch's hat. But I chose the mix pack. And this is what they look like. So these are really good if you like doing like little like shadow boxes or like little displays. So there's the little cauldron. And then I love this witch hat. It actually has like little dents and ridges and like details in it. I thought it was really pretty. And then this one actually has like a little shine to it, where see this one's more glossy. So I love how they did the little witch's hat. I kind of want to go get more of those because I love them so much. And then for $3.78, I got a embossing folder that is spider webs. So this way, if you just have like plain black or plain cardstock, you can go ahead and emboss it and make it have like a little design. And then this would be really good if you cut out a tag and just run the whole tag through. Would be really pretty as well. So I got that one. I found one recently that was like skulls and ghosts and spiderwebs, so I want to get that one, but that one's more because this was just like an embossing folder, and then that one says it's a 3D embossing folder, so it looks like the skull is like very embossed. So definitely gonna have to check that one out. So for $4, it is a 10-piece acrylic charm set. And on this side, which is really weird because normally it's the glossy side, but on the matte side, it just says support your local cemetery. I just thought it was really cool and really pretty. It kind of gave me like Sanderson sister vibes. So that's why I got that, because I did get some beads that were like Sanderson sisters in my last haul. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of like mix and match those together. And there was just like a little plain cardboard piece there. We could go ahead and save that and actually run it through our embossing folder later. Can you see the spiderwebs better? Oh yeah, I think you can see it a little bit better too. Oh yeah, see? Okay, nice. That worked out. So for $4.89, I got a spider, and it says that it's a natural stone in there. And the one that they showed on this website had like a huge like flash, like this they call a flash, where here it's like when you're looking right on at it, you really can't see it. You actually have to like turn it to the side to see it. So I would say this is like a medium purchase. Like, I'm happy I got it, but I wouldn't go buying like another one. It's still pretty though, so I like it. And then, oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. This was 50 pieces for $2.68. And I didn't get any of these last year, so I'm really happy that I found them this year and got some. So they are itty bitty little ghosties. Some are in black, some are in white, and the white ones actually have like a pearl shine to them. They're very pretty. Let me pull out my ruler here. These are coming in, ooh, let me see, not quite an inch and a half. Almost half an inch. Did I say inch and a half? Yeah, almost half an inch, but not quite. So Super cute, super tiny. These are supposed to be like nail charms. I don't know how people wear these like on their nails. Like I could just imagine my hair getting caught like under the little ghost arm and like me just like going crazy with like my hair stuck in my nail. But they're super cute. They are perfect for our crafting. So super happy with those. Let's see, 6 piece for $5.13. Y'all know I love Halloween. It's my favorite holiday, and Stitch is one of my favorite Disney characters. So I had to get these beads. I'm gonna make some stuff for myself. And like I said, it came in a little 6-pack. And then I just thought these were so cute. So I do like Hello Kitty, but I'm not like a super like fanatic like the way I am about Disney. So for $6 and I'm sorry, 6 pieces for $5.44. We have a Frankenstein, we have a ghosty, we have her in a little skeleton, like a trick-or-treating witch, a flying witch, and then she is a little batty bat. I just thought these were so cute. Like, how could I not get these? I just thought they were absolutely adorable, so I had to get those. Okay, these I'm super stoked to open up. $3.39. It doesn't say, but it was a lot. It was like over 100 of these like little ghosty stickers. I just thought they were so stinking cute. Like, how could I have not got them? Like, I love Halloween. They're just so pretty. Like, look at that. He's just adorable. You can put him on any project. And I like that it was on such a huge roll. I thought for like, you know, like when we package up like our swaps or whatever, and you know, we use these like self-seal bags. I just thought like, just to put him on there. And then like, I have a ton for, you know, a couple of dollars. What was it, like $3 and change? So I just thought this was super cute just to go ahead and have. And then, you know, like on the outside of my packaging, just to go ahead and put a couple down, I thought would be really cute. So I was really happy to get this roll. I also think I ordered another one because after I bought this one, like a bat one popped up in like my feed. So I ended up adding that to my cart, and I think I did end up buying that. I have a couple more orders that are due to come in. So stay tuned. A lot more Halloween stuff coming in because like I said, Halloween is my favorite time of year. I just love the fall. The weather's perfect. I love all things spooky. So yeah, this is totally my jam and my holiday. So these were 40 pieces for $4.61. Again, these were like nail charms, but I am obsessed, you guys. These did come in pink. I don't like pink, so I got the black ones obviously because I love black. Again, these were nail charms. Again, super big for the nails, but oh my gosh, gonna be so cute for our paper crafting. So obsessed with these. I want to get more. Like, I'm like, why didn't I get these last year? I'm like, were they not available last year? Did I just miss them last year? So I really, really like these. That I want to order another set of those because I like them so, so much. And then these were $2.39 for 20 pieces. Now, usually I do silver for Halloween, but these are in gold. So I'm just going to have to go ahead and add them on because I do really like them. Like, look, he's a little bat, but he's kind of got like a little like mean face to him. Even though he's like smiling, it's kind of like a little evil smile. So I love these little dudes. Definitely going to be using those. Then, like I said, they match my little bat clay beads that I got over there. These are so cute. I wish I could use them, but they're so small. Like, to use them as a charm. I mean, I guess I could put like a jump ring through the eye, but then that's not going to be too cute. And there's not enough space in the head to drill a hole. I don't know. I'll have to figure out how to use it. Like, I can definitely glue them down to like paper projects, but I think them as a little charm would have been so cute. And then my last little item today was 10 pieces for $1.81. Again, these were in the nail charm section. And these too, I want to go back and get more. Look at how pretty these are. Hopefully the camera's like focusing good for you guys. So they are little spiders, but they have like the iridescent rhinestones, and then there is the rhinestone on the body and on the head. And then you get 10 of these, and these did come in other colors if I remember correctly. I think there was like black stones, and I want to say another color. I can't remember, but these silver ones were just like my favorite when I saw them, and I think they're so, so pretty. And then for under $2, I feel like that's a really good deal. So that's the end of our little Halloween crafty haul. Like I said, stay tuned. I got tons more coming in. I did get a couple more Christmas items that are going to be coming in as well. And then, like I said, don't forget to enter my coupon code here in the search bar on the website or on the app, because it will take you to my storefront for you guys to go ahead and check out these items. And I'll link everything down below in the description box for you guys. So thank you guys so much. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.